Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about factorization. Exercise 14.4, question number 1. Exercise 14.4, question number 1. Okay. Before it, we want to discuss about the some terms like terms and unlike terms. Student, you can see here x, 4x, 5 by 2x. This is a like terms. This is a like terms. Okay. And unlike term, four x, 5t, 2y. This is the unlike terms. Okay. So subtraction and addition is possible only like terms. Okay. So I hope all of you understood what is like terms and what is unlike terms. So let's see what here you can see exercise 14.4. Find and correct the error in the following mathematical statements. So you can see this is a given statements. This is a given statement, question number 1. Okay. This is a statement 4x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay. This is first statement. This is a correct or incorrect. First we check it and we take left hand side 4 into x minus 5 and we solve it. If you find is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay. So let's see how to solve it and how to find error and how to correct. Here question number 1, 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. This is clear. So first we take here left hand side is equal to, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So left hand side is equal to 4x minus 5. We solve left hand side and try to reach right hand side. Okay. So first we multiply 4 into x. Okay. So 4 into x is equal to 4x minus 4 into 5. After this we multiply 4 into 5. So is equal to 4 into 5 is 20. Okay. And this is the right hand side. You can see here 4x minus 5. This is not equal to right hand side. Clear? This is not equal to right hand side. So where is the error? This is 4x minus 4x minus here 5, but here 20. So error is here. This is the error. Okay. So what is the correct mathematical statement? Okay. So correct mathematical statement is hence. You can write here hence. Correct mathematical, hence correct mathematical correct mathematical statement is this is our left hand side 4 into x minus 5, and this is a given right hand side, but here 5 is error. So what is correct? We solve it and we have find 4x minus 20. So this is equal to 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. This is a correct mathematical statements. Okay. This is given question. This is given statements. Mathematical statement 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. So first we take left hand side, and the first left hand side is this is 4 x minus 5. This left hand side we multiply 4 into x. After this we multiply 4 by 5. Okay. So in next step we obtain 4x minus 4 5 is 20. This is the right hand side. After this we are unable to solve it. So you can see 4x minus 20, but given statement is 4x minus 5. So where is our error? Error is here. Here is minus 5. This is error. इसके बदले यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? And before it we write here minus 20. So our correct mathematical statements is 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus plus 2. And this is the second question. The given statements x into 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Okay. So here first we take left hand side and solve it and try to find error and try to write correct mathematical statements according to questions. Okay. Before it we want to discuss some rules. In previous classes, class 7, I hope all of you know, if in the case of multiplication, if base are same, in the case of multiplication, if base are same, then power will be add. Okay. Here you can see base is a and power is m and power is n. Okay. So according to exponent's law, if base are same, then power is add. So your base is a, so we add the power m plus n. Okay. Suppose here 2 power 3 into 2 power 5. Okay. So it's become 2 power to the power 3 plus 5. It means that 2 power 8. Clear? And one more examples we want to discuss here. Suppose here x What is the power of x? 1. Nothing but 1. Okay. And if you multiply another x, so what is the power of this x? Nothing but 1. Clear? So here 1. Case of multiplication. Okay. And power is base is same. So power will be 8. So you can write it x to the power 1 plus 1. Clear? So if this is equal to x power 2. Okay. So come to the point of question number 2. We take first left hand side. Left hand side is x into 3x plus 2. Okay. So first you multiply this x. Okay. Because x and x is like terms, both are like, so multiplication is possible. It's become 3 into x, it's become x power 2. Okay, you can see here 3x into x. So power of both x is 1. Okay, so it's become 3 into x power 2. You can also write 3 into x power 1 plus 1. Clear? So in this way we write here x power 2. Now this x is multiplied by these 2. So here plus. So we write plus as it is, and x into 2, it's become 2x. Okay, you can have 2 into x or x into 2, it's become 2x. Clear? So we can write here 2x. I hope all have understood. And after this we are unable to solve this. Okay, so this is our right hand side. Okay, this is our right hand side. But here you can see the given mathematical statement, right hand side is this. Okay, this is not equal to, this is a not equal to. Clear? We take left hand side and solve this. We will obtain 3x square plus 2x, and this is not equal to the given mathematical statement of the right hand side. Okay, our right hand side is here, but the given right hand side is this. So this is a not equal. So where is the error? You can see here 3x square plus. Where is the error? Error is here. Okay, this is the error. So what is the correct statement? Correct mathematical statement. So we can write, hence the correct mathematical statement is, hence the correct mathematical statement is, this is our left hand side, x into 3x plus 2. This is equal to, we solve it and find the right hand side, 3x square plus 2x. 3x square plus 2x. Okay, so in this way we solve the second questions and find the error. Error is 2, and we also find the correct mathematical statements is x into 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2x. let's here you can see question number 3. Two x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Okay, but here you can see this is 2x, this is a 3y, both are unlike terms. 3x and 2x and 3y are unlike terms. Okay, so the addition and subtraction is not possible. Okay, because it is unlike terms. Addition and subtraction is possible only like terms, so we can't add. Okay, so our 5x y is error. Our correct mathematical statement is 2. This is a question number 3. This is a given mathematical statement 2x plus 3y. So you know x and y both are unlike terms, so addition is not possible here. Okay, addition is not possible here, but in this given statement we add them. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. So our error is here. Okay, this is error. Okay, so correct statement is, we can write correct statement is equal to there is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y. Clear? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y because both are x and y are unlike terms. Okay, x and y are both are unlike, so addition or subtraction is not possible here. Okay, so we can't write like this 5xy. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy is not possible. Okay, so here is error according to left hand side. Clear? According to left hand side. Suppose we take right hand side, then what is the correct statement? Okay, suppose here this is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Okay, so if we take right hand side is equal to 5xy. Okay, we also, you can write it 2xy plus 3xy. Clear? You can write it 2xy plus 3xy. Okay, so it's become, but this is not equal to our left hand side. This is not equal to our left hand side. So what is the error in these types? So error is here. This is error. Okay, this is your error. If you take left hand side, then error is here, and if you take right hand side, so error is here. Okay, so what is our correct statement? So according to right hand side, our correct statement is 2xy plus 3xy is equal to 5xy. Okay. Okay, so in this way both are right. Okay, clear? Now next part of this exercise 14.4, question number 4. So what is the question number 4? ax plus 2x, question number 4 is ax plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Okay, this is a question number 4. Ax plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Okay, so we take left hand side and try to find error, and also we find the correct statements. Okay, so what is the left hand side? This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Okay, so left hand side is equal to x plus 2x plus 3x. Okay, so you can see this ax both are like terms. In the when if the term of like terms, then we can add or subtract it. We add or subtract only the coefficient of the variables. Okay, so here you can see what is variable. Tell me. What is variable? So here x is variable. This x is also variable. This x is also variable. So we add only coefficient of the variables if they are like. Okay. The coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of this x is 2. Coefficient of this x is 3. Coefficient of first x is nothing but 1. Okay. You can write 1 or only write x. Okay. So this is 1x, 2x, 3x. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6x. 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. Okay, but here you can see this is the 5x. This is given only 5x. So this is not equal to right hand side. Okay, so where is error? Error is here. Okay, error is here. So what is our correct mathematical statement? So we write here hence the correct statement is so this is left hand side. You can write here x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to, we write find here 6x. 6x. This is a correct mathematical statement. Now, so in this question you can see x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5 is given, but when we take left hand side and solve it, we find 6x. 6x is not equal to 5x. Okay, so error is here. 5x is error. Clear? 5x is error. Okay, 5x is error. So our in this way you find the error of given statement, and also we find the correct mathematical statements. Okay, so this is x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. Question number 5 is five y plus 2y, 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to 0. This is a question number 5. This is a given mathematical statements. We need to find error, where is error, and also we correct this. Okay. So first we take left hand side. What is left hand side? 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. This is equal to left hand side. Okay. So first we write left hand side is equal to 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. Okay. So you can see here y and y. Okay. So this is like terms. In like terms, addition and subtraction is possible. So in addition or subtraction, we add or subtract only the coefficient of variables. So you can see here 5y. So what is the coefficient of 5y? 5. Here coefficient of 2y is 2. Here coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of y is 1, nothing but 1. Okay. So addition is possible. So 5, you can take common y in each case. So first we add it, and after this we subtract it. Okay. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8y. Okay. And minus 7y we write as it is. Clear? Minus 7y we write as it is. This is clear? Now 8y minus 7y. You can see here y and y both are like terms. Okay. And the coefficient of this y is 8 and coefficient of this y is 7. Okay. So subtraction or addition of like terms is possible. So 8y minus y is equal to, you can write only y. Okay. But this is not equal to right hand side, because you can see here right hand side is 0. Okay. You can see here right hand side is 0. So error is here. This is the error point. Okay. So we find the error. Now we are going to write the correct mathematical statement. Clear? Hence the correct statement means is, this is left hand side, we can write as it is. So it's become 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to, we take left hand side and solve it. We reached y. This is our right hand side. This is our right hand side, y. Okay. This is our correct mathematical statements. Clear? Now we are going to solve question number 6. Okay. So question number 6 is given 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x square. So let's see how to solve question number. So question number 6 is equal to 2x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x square. Okay. First we try to find where is error in this given statements, and after this we write correct mathematical statements. Okay. So we take left hand side is equal to 3x plus 2x. Okay. 3x plus 2x. 3x and 2x both are like terms. Okay, x variable are same. Okay, so both are like terms. In like terms, variable in like terms, addition and the subtraction is possible. Clear? So we can add it. We find here 5x. Okay, this is not equal to right hand side. Okay, so error is here. Clear? This is error part. So what is our correct mathematical statements? 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. This is our correct mathematical statements. Okay, you know very well when power is 8, when 2 x into x, then it's become x square. Clear? Okay, but here 2x plus 3x. In the case of addition, we add only the coefficient of variables. Okay, and in the case of multiplication, if the base are same. In the case of multiplication, if the base are same, then we add the power of the variable, like a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power m plus m. Okay, clear? So you can see here we solve it and we find this is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 5x. Okay, so this is a error point. So what is the correct statement? Hence you can write here, hence the correct statement so this is the correct you can write here 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. This is a correct mathematical statement. Students, I hope all of you understood how to find error point, error in given statement, and what is the, how can we write, how can we find the correct statement of given statements. Okay.